You will never.
Yo,
Mikey,
so coach,
how's it?
I'm good on yourself, sir.
I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm okay.
Hell, it's a pleasure, man. Speaking.
Sure.
So my question firstly would be, how did you start? Where did you start, and what advice would you give to someone who wants to start trading and become successful in it?
Okay. I started in 2016. So this friend of mine just introduced the whole thing to me. That's how it came about. I lost money. But after losing money, I was like, you know what? Let me just sit down and learn what the whole thing is all about. And that's when the real experience started. That's how I got to be where I am today. Through now, I have like 6 years in the game. So it's more like 6 years of entire experience. It's something that you cannot buy from anybody. You have to experience it in order to understand. But starting about trading, my guy, it only takes YouTube videos and the internet, then that's it. You don't need to pay me, you don't need to pay anybody anything. Just use the internet, then you'll be good.
So in terms of YouTube videos, is there any page or any links?
Not really. It's just a matter of searching Forex trading lessons for beginners or how to trade Forex. Just the basic concepts of asking how to. You see, the same way you are able to find porn, same way, my guy. The same way you're able to search big ass, big tits, same way you search Forex, big lessons, big strategies, you'll find them free of
Okay.
charge. Yeah.
And then with regards to these mentors, we always see on YouTube and Instagram people like advertising their trades and then telling you to buy in. Do you think that's something good for an amateur trader?
There is only two reasons why a mentor would advertise Forex in general or recommend you to a broker. I'm going to speak for myself. From 2018, I knew that one day I'm going to own a broker. I just didn't know that day it's going to be now. I just didn't know when, right? So from 2018, my goal was to build an army of what? Of traders. That is to recruit as many traders as possible so that when I start a broker, I'm able to get the clients. That is why when I launched my broker, I hit almost 15,000 signups in 6 hours because I've built an army already of traders. You understand? So that was one of my main reasons. And even today, as much as I've resigned and I still continue speaking about Forex, is because I'm promoting my broker. Now, any other mentor that convinces you otherwise and whatnot, they are most probably working with a broker who's funding their lifestyle. In short, putting it in reality. I'm going to give you an example. Most of these IBs nowadays get paid about 200,000 a month. So out of that 200,000, they take maybe 60,000, they pay cars, and then Boma 20,000, they pay rent, and then the other one is for lifestyle. And then their job is to influence you into signing up with that particular broker, being honest with you. So that's what these most brokers are all about. But there are still those those mentors who are not doing trading for any personal gain whatsoever. But that's your job to find out who are those. Now I'm just giving the two categories that I know at this point.
Oh, wow, thanks, coach. That's my question.
Yeah. All right. Thank you a lot, Mikey.
Okay, away.
Sharp. Yeah. Who's next? Kante pila ke ed palesa ke utlwa ga botse go iralang ka ena ka commenting ba no palesa accept more bon wena palesa
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Kanto a trenda na mo commenting gar batho for palesa ba rudia ing.
Mistake.
It's not a mistake. These people are talking about you. What are you doing?
No, I made a mistake.
When I cook, why batho ba bua ka wena? That can be a mistake.
I said something.
Oh, okay. Otherwise, so sharp man.
I'm good, and how are you?
I'm breathing. When I know any question or sharp.
Okay, I wanted to ask, what's your take on account management?
It's a scam. All account management, it's a scam and they're illegal. Anybody who does account management must get arrested by the law. That's what the law says.
Yeah, because as far as I know, account management is not allowed, but I've seen people promote it. So I was
Yeah, people do it. Yeah, I get it's because you as a potential client, you are a victim. You don't know, I get that it's illegal. But if you see somebody do account management,
yeah.
you have the right to get them arrested. It's a crime. You understand?
Okay, thank you.
Yes. All right. Have a blessed
Yeah,
night.
yeah, yeah.
All right, sharp. Wena level leba o robalo busy what live aga. I see you. I yeah, level is one of my dancers. She's pretty much good with what she does. Yeah, so guys, Laban, ke edile pale sa crush ya lena. Do you need to have some kind of certificate for account management? Yes, you need to have